Creating a logo doesn't have to break the bank. With a plethora of online logo makers, you can design a professional-looking logo for free. Start by exploring platforms like Canva, Luca, or Hatchful. These tools offer user-friendly interfaces and a wide range of templates tailored to various industries. First, think about your brand's identity. Choose colors and fonts that resonate with your message. Most logo makers allow you to customize elements, so don't hesitate to play around until it feels right. Once you've crafted your logo, download it in high resolution. Some sites even provide vector files, which are essential for scaling your logo without losing quality. Remember, simplicity is key. A great logo is memorable and versatile, working well on everything from business cards to websites. So dive in, unleash your creativity, and let your brand shine without spending a dime.